Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best flat-top grills on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Blackstone 36-inch original flat-top gas griddle. With more than 700 square inches of cooking area, this top model delivers on space for cooking breakfast for the whole family or hosting burger night on the deck for an army of friends. And it's powerful. The 4 burners are independently controlled and put out 60,000 BTUs of heat. This is clutch when you need multiple heat zones for varying foods. The Blackstone 36-inch model is heavy-duty, but it also is pretty easy to move around with folding legs set on lockable casters. And the extra features cannot be ignored. Food prep shelves attach on either side of the grill, ample space underneath is provided for a 20-pound propane tank to sit, and the included cutting board relieves trips to the kitchen. When you're finished grilling up peppers and onions to go with those juicy hot Italian sausages, cleanup is a cinch with the enhanced grease management system on this model. Cooking area, 720 square inches, BTUs per hour, 60,000, number of burners, 4. What we love. Battery push-start ignition, easy to transport, powerful, removable cutting board. What we don't love. Bulky. Number 2. Second best pick is Country Smoker's the Highland 4-burner portable griddle. Flat-top grills can be an investment, but if you're looking to dip your feet in without spending a lot, the Country Smoker's Horizon series is a smart choice. The portable, 4-burner grill comes pre-seasoned, making it ready right out of the package for your cooking forays. And the legs are collapsible for easy transport if it's tailgating season. Affordability doesn't mean less capability with this model. The 597 square inch cooking surface can handle a weenie roast for up to 10 people, and the 44,000 BTUs are plenty powerful. And the protective burner covers help maintain a hot cooking surface while grilling. Not only is this model a great budget choice, but it's easy to operate for those just starting out in the flat-top grilling world. Cooking area, 597 square inches, BTUs per hour, 44,000, number of burners, 4. What we love. Pre-seasoned, portable and lightweight, ample cooking surface, protective burner covers to maintain heat. What we don't love. Legs feel flimsy. Number 3. Third best pick is Cuisinart 22-inch round flat-top grill. Cozy patio owners rejoice, there is a flat-top grill that will fit your outdoor space. Cuisinart's round model is an economical 22 inches in diameter that offers 360-degree access while cooking. The 2 independently controlled burners put out 30,000 BTUs for the 380 square inch cooking surface, making it perfect for singles, couples, or even a small family. The vented dome cover on the Cuisinart round flat-top grill gives the cook the option to steam, roast, smoke, and even bake, making it versatile far beyond grilling. Set on wheels with locking casters for stability, this model also features a folding prep table, a towel rack, ample space beneath the grill to store your propane tank, and a cover to protect it in inclement weather. The oversized grease pan directs grease to a removable bin for easy cleanup. From push-start ignition to flexible heat zones, this model packs a lot of power in a small package. Cooking area, 380 square inches, BTUs per hour, 30,000, number of burners, 2. What we love. 360-degree grease pan, locking wheels, towel rack and folding prep table included, easy assembly. What we don't love. Only 2 burners. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Blaze Premium LTE 30-inch built-in natural gas griddle. Outfitting an outdoor kitchen is simple with the Blaze Premium LTE built-in 30-inch griddle. Its chic stainless steel design blends with any decor, and the nearly 500 square inches of cooking surface can accommodate food for any size family. Though it only has 2 burners, this model puts out an enviable 36,000 BTUs capable of cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The highlight, though, is the grease management system. Cleanup is always a consideration when purchasing a flat-top grill, and the Blaze's thoughtfully designed system directs the flow of grease into a drip tray easily accessed to clean. From the push-button ignition to the no-fuss cleaning, there's a lot to love about the Blaze. Cooking area, 495 square inches, BTUs per hour, 36,000, number of burners, 2. What we love. Sleek, effective grease management, easy to clean, durable. What we don't love. Expensive. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Camp Chef 4-burner flat-top propane gas grill. If your home is the go-to destination for summer barbecues and family reunions, you need a hearty grill that can handle lots of food. With more than 1,000 square inches of cooking surface area, the Camp Chef flat-top grill is the right choice, and though it is heavy, it comes with a wheeled cart that makes moving it around easier. Plus, it offers a griddle and grill surface, making it versatile for multiple cooking options. This freestanding option features foldable side shelves for added prep space, adjustable leg levelers for stability, and a removable grease catcher for easy cleanup. With 4 independently controlled burners, the cook options are unlimited. And the 50,000 BTUs it puts out easily tackles anything from a stack of pancakes to a slew of sausages. Cooking area, 1,015 square inches, BTUs per hour, 50,000, number of burners, 4. What we love. Grill and griddle combined, large side shelves for prep, independently controlled burners, easy to clean, easy to operate. What we don't love. Bulky. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.